Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of nature's most powerful roots, ginger. Whether you're sipping it in tea or blending it into your smoothie, ginger is a small ingredient with big benefits. So grab a seat and let's talk about why this spicy little root deserves a spot in your daily routine. Boost immunity. Ginger is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help strengthen your immune system. It's like your body's natural defense booster, especially great during cold and flu season. Add it to hot tea or soup to help ward off sniffles and keep your body energized. Aids digestion. Feeling bloated or having tummy troubles? Ginger can help. It promotes the production of digestive enzymes and helps food move more smoothly through your stomach. Just a few slices in hot water after a meal can work wonders. Eases nausea and motion sickness. Whether you're battling morning sickness or car sickness, ginger is a natural remedy for nausea. Many people chew on ginger candy, sip ginger ale, or take ginger capsules to calm an uneasy stomach. Fights inflammation and pain. Struggling with joint pain or sore muscles? Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds, like gingerol, work similarly to over-the-counter pain relievers, without the side effects. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis or athletes in recovery. Supports heart health. Ginger may also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are key factors in maintaining a healthy heart. Studies suggest it can improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Enhances brain function. Believe it or not, ginger is also good for your brain. It may help fight age-related decline and improve memory and focus, thanks to its ability to fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Helps manage weight. Trying to stay fit? Ginger can boost your metabolism and reduce hunger, making it a great companion for your weight loss journey. Add it to lemon water in the morning or sprinkle it over your meals for a flavorful kick. So whether you're drinking it, cooking with it, or taking it as a supplement, ginger is one of those all-natural remedies that's been trusted for centuries, and for good reason. Just remember, moderation is key. Always check with a healthcare provider if you're pregnant or on medication. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite way to use ginger? Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and stay naturally you.